Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into VIVO Y01. Firstly, open your top navigation bar and find record screen button here. If you don't have this button here, press on the pencil in the left corner, find this button here in this block and then press and hold and drag to top to add. So for saving, click back and now you add this button here. Now press and hold this button and we got our screen recorder settings. And here we got second option, record sound. So click it for this option and choose your option, for example microphone audio. And for saving you need choose and it's saved automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.